Hello guys, it's Sam here. We're investing with Sam. Today I'm talking about Desktop Metals, the ticker symbol DM. Now, I did do a video about a week ago or so, maybe 2 weeks, talking about me buying this company, um, buying shares in the company. I was definitely talking about the business itself and stuff like that. I bought a small position at the time, but as of now, I've sold shares. Uh, but that's not me saying that I don't want to own this company possibly in the future. I just feel like as of now, I just want to wait out. I don't have enough knowledge on the industry it's in. I mean, obviously, I know it's in the 3D printing, just doing metal printing for companies and stuff like that, and other materials. And it's obviously acquiring a lot of companies, definitely for the healthcare industry. Many other industries, they have big companies working within partnerships like Ford and many others. If you don't know about that, I definitely recommend you definitely go watch a video where someone goes through their whole investor presentation, so you can find out a bit more information on the company if you're not clued up on it. But if you are already a shareholder in this stock, or you're looking to own shares, me personally, first of all, I look at the industry, I look at the company itself, the way they brand themselves, what deals they've got, partners. Obviously, Ford, that's a big company, that's good. And the industry itself, is the industry on a massive growth spurt? And it definitely will be. I personally think anyway. I think most people know that most companies are adopting to this 3D printing industry, that this revolution within the whole industrial market, should I say? No, sorry, not industrial market, manufacturing market. Sorry, I was thinking of the word. Yeah, within the whole manufacturing market, a lot of companies will be using 3D um, printing companies to possibly manufacture some of their products. Ford is already doing it. There's a lot of benefits to it, a lot of time benefits. It's definitely more environmentally friendly. So these are things I'm looking at anyway. But then obviously after I look at all that, I look at the the valuation of the company and the earnings, and how much revenue they're pulling in. Are they profitable? These type of questions. Team management, are insiders buying, selling? These are the type of things I like to look at. So yeah. Anyway, Desktop Metal, 2.02 billion, 2 billion in market cap valuation. I think is a great company. I feel like there's a lot of growth ahead of them. Their guidance for the next couple of years are looking quite good. But as of for now, market cap, I feel like it's a tough one, guys, because the market cap today is overvalued. Same with a lot of other stocks that I actually own in my own portfolio. But the industry itself is on a massive growth spurt, hence why you're paying a premium market cap valuation. So if you're looking to invest in long-term investments with Desktop Mills, I would say, yeah, looking possibly building into a position now will be a good move. But if you're looking for a short swing term trade, me personally, I don't really like doing that. Um, I don't watch the stock enough to know, where its range bound is. I mean, it's saying here, um, oh, that's on the day chart. If I do it on the 6 month chart, sorry. I mean, all-time highs was $31, and now it's at $7. So it's been on a massive downtrend. Most companies that have gone through SPACs have definitely gone through this. I believe Desktop Metal went through a SPAC, so you know, I own a lot of SPACs. I own two SPACs in my well, I own in fact, mostly all the companies I own in my portfolio. I've come through SPACs. It's terrible, I know, but it's giving me an opportunity to average down, and I'm taking advantage of that as of for now anyway. But we're talking about Desktop Metal now, so let's go through the financials. So annually, 2019 was their best for revenue. Obviously, 2020 we had the whole, things that went on, so that definitely affected the business, I reckon, because a lot of manufacturing companies wasn't operating. So yeah, that definitely did affect them. But as of for now, we're en route to beating 2019 revenue numbers. They are acquiring a lot of companies, hence why their earnings are not so good. Uh, but this is a good thing that you like to see when you see a company acquiring other companies within their industry. It's showing that they're not messing about and they're looking to be on massive growth. Um, so yeah, I mean, the guidance they have. I ain't gonna show you now, but I think it's in the investor presentation, or there was a video on YouTube that someone got up an article, or a presentation of some sort from Desktop Metal. and it was showing their guidance from now to 2025. And it looked pretty good, it did. I'm not going to lie to you, but as of now, market cap valuation compared to revenue is pretty poor. But the industry itself is going to grow. It's same with the companies I own in my portfolio in the EV charging networks. The industry itself hasn't taken off yet, so the companies can only move with with the whole industry itself. If the industry grows, then the companies should grow with it. If there's not a lot of high growth within the industry, then the companies ain't gonna grow with it. But more companies will adopt to this, I think, because there's a lot of money to be saved for companies, and companies obviously now a main objective is to obviously it's not so much about making as much money as they can. It's more about cutting back and seeing where they can save money um, within the company, how they can save cash, stuff like that. And obviously, 3D printing is definitely a way for them to save money. So I can definitely see more companies getting into the space. Uh, so yeah, I think the company's good. I don't have a position as of for now. I had about 20 shares before this, so it wasn't as if I had a massive position. I had a small position. It's just the way my portfolio is working right now. I'm averaging down on my other high conviction stocks. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping my eye on this. And if my other positions that I own in my portfolio keep on it will improve, then I'll definitely be looking to open a position in Desktop Mill. Definitely a high growth company, I personally think. And yeah, I mean, it's not like 3D Systems. I did a video about Desktop Metal and 3D Systems about 2 weeks ago. Go check it out. I was just talking about the two companies itself. The 3D Systems, they pull in good revenue numbers, but they're not growing as a company as of for now. Obviously, they've changed the whole management team, so that's definitely affected them. But in the long term, it should do them better, I hope. But hence, I'd rather go for Desktop Metal personally. I feel like they will outpace 3D Systems within the future from now to maybe 2030 or something. I don't know, because they're just acquiring companies and their guidance is looking pretty good for what they've given us. But a guidance is only a guidance. The guidance has to be executed by the end of the day, innit? So just keep up with the earnings results and stuff like that. Earning calls, listen to them. I'll be listening to them myself, keeping an eye on the company news and stuff like that. And I'll just gather more data for myself to figure out if it's a good investment. But other than that, guys, there's not much more I can say. Let me know your thoughts on Desktop Metal. I'm still trying to find out a bit more about this industry itself. I'm not, got so much knowledge on it, so hence why, I can't really be so heavily bullish on it. I know it's a growing industry, but when I do my investments, I like to know a bit more about the company itself. So I definitely need to do research. Um, yeah, so that's that, guys. People say invest in what you know, so I definitely need to invest in. If I'm going to invest in it, I definitely need to gain more knowledge within the company itself. Other than that, guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Yeah, if you're on the company, let me know your thoughts on the company long term. Where do you think where it's going to go? Do you think they're going to be the leading company within the industry? Let me know. Other than that, guys, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.